Welcome to this Windows and Fixit channel of all sorts, not just Windows, but for Mac, for Linux, for every platform. And in this Fixit channel today, we will learn how to check if your browser is up to date. And we're using three browsers to check that out. First of all, if you're using the main browsers from Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer 11, the updates come through Windows Update. So if you had this week, for example, the Patch Tuesday updates on Tuesday, your browsers are up to date. So there's no need to check the browser itself because it happens through Windows. If you're on Google Chrome, you want to check for updates, simply click the Chrome icon, go on the upper right corner, the three vertical dots, and go into Help and About Google Chrome. Here you will see if it's not updated, if it's not up to date, it's going to tell you that it's updating, or else it's going to say Chrome is up to date, like I have here on my computer. And Firefox Quantum, simply click the icon for Firefox. Go on the upper right corner in the three horizontal lines, which is technically called a hamburger menu. Click there, click Help, and click About Firefox. It should say up to date. If not, it's going to force update it to the latest version. And finally, in Opera, if you want to update Opera, simply click the Opera icon on the upper left corner. Go into Update and Recovery. And here, it's going to check for updates. And if you're not updated, you will have an update that is going to be done. So last checked today, and it says I'm updated at version 60. So that's all you got to do to keep your browser updated. It's very important to stay safe on the internet, to have the latest version. It blocks a lot of bad malware, and a lot of security flaws are actually fixed in the updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.